Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. This is Matt, and in this video, me going over Leadsleap, okay? And I'm going to be showing you how I get leads to my businesses using this platform, okay? There's a free method and a paid version, so we're going to go over both today. All right, now this is the free version of it. Okay, so you're just going to put in your new ad here. You're going to put in a picture. You're going to just simply put in your URL. You're going to put in a catchy title, your ad text, image, and the category that best fits what you're trying to promote. And then you're going to preload your credits. Now, to get the credits, you have to surf ads every day. It's 10 ads, okay? So you have to search 10 ads a day. And then you could load your credits and then save and submit. Okay. Now I am a pro member and I'm gonna show you how to do the pro membership here. So you go to post pro ads. Okay. So you're gonna click add new ads. Okay. You're gonna add in the URL. You're gonna add in the catchy title, your ad text, relevant image. So you could choose optional standard ad, product review, blog, free giveaway, new launch. I just put on new ads, and here's the ads that I have here. And I do recommend changing them up every now and then. And that's what I'm gonna do later on. Just go ahead and change this up here. Let's see. All right. And then there are also some other things I want to show you as well too. You have your page manager here. You can make different landing pages. And for example, I have some here that I've created. This is a bridge page. I do recommend creating a bridge page after you make the landing page. And I have one of my videos in here. And then I have a landing page here. Okay. So I will make a video on that, on how to create landing pages to get more leads. Oops, here, let's see. All right, and then you could go down or actually do an email broadcast series, YouTube to broadcast. So you could broadcast broadcast your YouTube videos to your email list. Okay. You could um, track your affiliate links and tools, and then traffic stats as well. Okay, so this is mine. I don't really promote Leadsleap as much in the traffic exchanges or send out to my emails. I just promote it on YouTube mainly. All right. Now, if you are interested in joining for free, you go ahead and click the link below. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. All right. Thank you.